Okay, that's good. All right. It's looks time's up. We go through this together. Is everyone submitted? Okay. All right, doesn't matter. So now we go through it, okay? I mean the due time for that one is 10 a.m. So I'm go through it and you can upload what you have, okay? Yeah. So the reason I want you guys using Excel because they have some good function over here. We can use it. So I'm not going to do that one. So if you given a problem like this, definitely we only have this 6 projects, 3 columns for project number, the size, and the total cost. So the first step we're doing with the weight unit cost is going to finding the unit cost for each of your previous projects, right? So you are writing down a formula here equal. So some of you is using total cost C7 divided by this C7, right? And you're getting a number like this. So some of you say, oh, that is a number with multiple digital decimal place, right? How can we run up this to do 2 decimal place? Do you guys know how to do it? Click it and go up to where? Home and here. And this one? This one? Like this? Okay, so okay, you can do like this, but that is not the correct way. But if you go into the format for this one, you can right click, go to the format cell, and you will see this is change your number to 2 decimal place. So I'm going to change this one back to general, and you will see this here number with multiple decimal place. So that is the way you can do over here, or you can right click this one to the formula of cell and the number and change it to either 2 or 3 is up to you, right? So you will see here. But I will show you another way to do this one. So format cell, and we still go general, and we will see multiple place over here. So the correct way we do is using that one. Equal round, R-O-U-N-D. Okay? So round is round up, or round down means, right? And you are going to using this one, C8 divided by this B8. And if you're doing like this, you will see this error because you need to let this equation know or this function know how many decimal places you need. If I type in here is 4, and you will see this one does not really have that too much, right? So so if we change it, or we're not changing it yet, we're still using this one. So do you guys know how to copy the formula? Yeah. Click the down, right? And you can drag it down or drag it up, all right? Which direction you want. So let me drag it up, down. And you will see, and you will see this one actually is ended by 25. It does not really have 4 digital places, right? But this one, you cannot divide it, so it has 4 digital places, right? And this one is 2,000 divided by 100, you get 20. That is a whole number. So now I'm dragging this one up to make this one is 4 digital as well. Now we see this. You will see this has the formula over here, and we're going to change this one to 2 decimal places, right? And you will see this is 2 decimal places, right? And we drag this one down. Or even though we don't need to drag it, we just double click it. That will be changed. So this is the number still in general, but I would say you need to take every unit count as a 2 decimal places, even how this number. So I need a number here is 20.00. How do we do this? So that is go back to this format. Right click, format, number, and you get a 2 decimal place, right? So that's the way. Even how we know the format can change it, but it does not really change it. It's just to show you 2 decimal place. The result is still have multiple place. Okay. So then we get all the unit price. And then the next one we do is find the A, B, C, right? So how to find the D? So we will have a total. Total is using the summer, right? Summer from here to here. And then this is the summarize the unit price. And then we have the B here is equal to, so we can put here as total. And B is equal to total divided by how many number of projects, right? So that will be equal to this one divided by 6, right? So if you really want to learn how to do the counting things, you can use a formula count, C-O-U-N-T, count. Count from here to here. So I'm trying to do here again. C-O-U-N-T, and I cycle all those 6 projects. You will see this here 6, right? So but definitely you know you can just input in the number here divided by 6 because you can easily to figure out here is 6, right? I'm just showing you how to do the count, okay? So that is the B, right? So to keep everything the same size, you can use in the format printers, right? To print this one. And I print those as well. So you have your B here. So which one is A? That one is A. Which one is C? This one is C, right? So these are a way to show you the difference. So please go over this Zoom. All right, so I'm not going to show you something here with the Excel. You may use it later for your job. So you can click all those. Those are the numbers, and we're going to using home here, and we're using this additional formatting, right? And we can using the colors to show the relations. So so this is highlight sales rows, which is equal to between 2 grid or duplicate values. That is not the one we're going to use here. But if you're going to the next one, and you will see top 10 percentages, bottom 10 percentages, above average, below the average. All those functions you can use if you have a very long multiple lines data, right? And this you have some the data bars, and those data bars is easily to use because you can easily notify the differences in them. If I have over here, you will see. Is that easy to see which one is the largest one and which one is the smallest one, right? So that is something you can use. And the color here is showing the difference because it treats you as a histogram and putting some smaller over there and show the difference by the colors. And also maybe show something by the echoes, right? So So something like this. So we're going to use this bars. And that will be easy to see. This is C. So this is your C. And this is your A. Is that correct? All right, so you have this number here, and you have this number here. So now we defined the ABC, we're going to use the formula to find the UC, right? UC. UC is equal to what? Will be equal to A plus 4 times B plus C divided by 6. So you're doing this one again. So why we're getting this one is not 2 decimal place, because we did not adding round round and the 2 decimal place. Okay? So that is your number for question? Oh yeah, yeah. Basically, the idea here is the average for those. You can do average here. Yes, you're right. So you can do AVE, AGE, right? And subtracting all those things. You can do this. So basically, given the same idea, right? All right, you have UC and your total cost. That will be equal to this one times with what's the number? 315, right? So you're getting this number. Now my question is how to convert this number to a whole number. So that you can do 2 ways, because this is already your final number. So you can do like this is an easy way, or you can do this format sense to 0 decimal place, right? Or even how you can do like this way, 1 to 0 decimal place. Okay? So this is your final results. Any questions? All good? All good, okay. So this is all good, and we will continue using this one. Next time, please make sure you have your Excel, and in our quiz, maybe 3 or 4, you are using this one again. Now we have this one, and we're going to print this one, right? So we go to printing, and make sure you are picking up this fit the sheet on 1 page. And I'm not going to use that big one. You can use the landscaping, letters, and you probably change your margin to a narrow margin, and you can fit them. If I see no scaling, then they are not in 1 page. They will have the next page, right? If I see this fit to 1 page, I only have 1 page. And you can pick up any PDF generators and print date. Is that good with this one? All right, so I'm close this one, and I'm going to upload No, you still can take it. No worry about it. So next time I would order you two sitting in different place. You're still talking. So anyway. So I just upload the quiz solution, and you can get the access to the quiz solution through the quiz. They have a photo bottom here, quiz solution, and you can find in the Excel and also the solution. Okay? So that's for the quiz for today. There's no challenge or challenge. No challenge. That's good. So are you guys feel tired? So you guys feel tired, we can dismiss now. All right. Josh, are you okay? So in next week we will starting with another method, or maybe we will teach you two. Okay. And we can end the class now. You guys good to go? Yep.
Thank you, Dr.